Lusasazo ngqo lwendaba estudio 9 kwikomkhulu le-SABC eAukland Park eRhawutini nazo eziphambili. Sijongwe ngabomvu isithebe sengxoxo sikamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa nogxa wakhe waseMelika uMnumzana Donald Trump esise-White House eWashington ngomso.
The person has to appear within 48 hours, or as it states here, on the next day. And it specifically states on 2 that that period will be extended up to 4 p.m. of the first following court day.
Isebe lezekhaya lixelele ipalamente ukuba inkundla kamantyi yaseMonti ekhulule umvangeli Timothy Omotoso emva kokuba igcinwe elivalelweni iphazamile kwisigqibo sayo. Iqela lesizwe lebhola ekhatywayo labaminyaka engaphansi kwama-20 amajita lamkele njengamaqhawe ngabalandeli kwisikhululo senqwelomoya eOR Tambo International ngale ntsasa. Enethunga isengelwa phansi sondelani into zakuthi etyeba ngiteketeke imbizi yale ntlwa yelali xa inje molweni ke. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uza kunqatha kwisithebe sengxoxo nogxa wakhe waseMelika uMnumzana Donald Trump eWhite House eWashington eMelika ngomso. Zijonge ngabomvu ezingxoxo zabamongameli emva kokuba umongameli Trump ebhenqe itshoba kancinane nje ekubuyeni kwakhe eWhite House ngoJanuwari ekhupha imiyalelo ebonakala ikhama uMzantsi Afrika kuquka nokuyekiswa kwenkxaso-mali kwimibutho enceda kwidabi lokulwa nentsholongwane kagawulayo nogawulayo uqobo kunye nesifo sephepha. Uhlafunisiso lityelelo likamongameli Ramaphosa eMelika sikhwebe umhleli wendaba zamazwe ngamazwe apha e-SABC uSophie Mkwe. Sophie, masikwamkele kwindaba zethu ngokuhlwa nje. Khawuqale wazisa ababukeli yintoni umahluko kutyelelo lombuso i-state visit nolu lusebenzayo i-working visit?
Uma sibheka i-state visit kulapho khona kuba nomcimbi uma umongameli walelo lizwe afika. Njengoba ubona ukuthi kuba namasotsha, kube nokwamukela okukhulu kwaloyo oze kulelo lizwe. Kukuba khona nabongqongqoshe abaningi ukuthi kube nomsebenzi omningi nengxoxo zihlukile ziyajula. Ngakho ke uphinde ube nabantu bamabhizinisi bakhulumisane bamazwe amabili. Ngesinye isikhathi kuba nokudla kwantambama lokho esikubiza ngesilungu phecelezi idina. Kodwa ke i-working visit njengoba isho work ukusebenza. Mawufika nje niyahlangana ehhovisini o endaweni leyo ehlelilwe nixoxe ngendaba zamazwe lana amabili. Ngaso sonke isikhathi uzothola ukuthi aseabantu abaningi ababakhona njengoba sazi ukuthi umongameli uhamba nabongqongqoshe aba-4 kuphela. Into enye akubi nabantu abaningi bamabhizinisi nabo bahlangane baxoxe. Ngokugcina uku-state visit kuba nezivumelwano lezo abazithathayo baze bazisayine amaphepha. Kodwa ku-working visit akubi nezivumelwano ezisayinwayo. Kuyaxoxwa, kuphindelwe ekhaya, kubhekisanwe, ngomva kwesikhathi kuhlangane futhi kube lapho kusayinwa khona-ke amaphepha.
Khawutsho phakathi kwabaphathiswa bahambe nomongameli kukho ezolimo uMnumzana John Steenhuisen. Ingaba kunento kuyithethayo oko ngokwesebe lakhe okanye kokuba ekwayinkokheli ye-DA?
Njengoba uyazi ukuthi kunenkinga ukuthi ukuhwebisana kweNingizimu Afrika ne-Amerika kusenkingeni. Abantu abazoba nenkinga kakhulu abantu laba abasebenza ku-agriculture amafama. Ngakho-ke ulapho ukuthi naye abeke izwi uma kuxoxwa ngalolu daba lamafama. Uyazi ukuthi ama-citrus food la esiwadlayo kakhulukhulu lana abuya eWestern Cape athengiswa laphaya eMelika. Ngakho-ke angeke bakhone ukuthumela ama-fruits lawa eMelika ngoba uma uthumela abantu uma bawathenga eMelika azodura kakhulu, bazobhadala imali eningi. ngakho ke angeke ube nama order amaningi kungakho alapho into enye yesibili mangibheka ngibheka ukuthi ukhumbule ukuthi iDA elinye leqembu elikhulu eNingizimu Afrika uma ubheka abantu abalandela iDA ubuningi babo abantu abamhlophe kunalolu daba lama Afrikaners ngakho ke ufuna ukutshengisa iAmerica ukuthi sino mbuso ohlanganyelwe asikhethi ayikho lento yokuthi siqindezela ama-Afrikaners noma abantu abamhlophe ngakho ke uma ubheka uSteenhuisen uyakhona ukuthi uphendule into ezimbili ngesikhathi esisodwa.
Okay. Lamazwe mabini ayivana ngokupheliswa kwemfazwe eUkraine kodwa kwimfazwe yaseGaza waboni ngasonye ingaba ezimfazwe kungathethwa ngazo.
Into abazwana ngayo iNingizimu Afrika neMelika ukuthi leyampi ifanele iphele. Kodwa inkinga iqala leya iNingizimu Afrika eli lapha eThe Hague ku-International Court of Justice iAmerica ifuna iNingizimu Afrika ihoxe iNingizimu Afrika ayikwazi kwenza lokho ngakho ke kulapho la kuyoba nomehluko khona kodwa bayavumelana ukuthi kufanele kube nokuthula.
Umongameli Ramaphosa ubiziwe eWhite House emva kokuphoqwa kukamongameli Zelensky wase-Ukraine ukubona kufanelekile ukwamukela eso simemo kwakhe.
Umongameli njengomuntu wopolitiki uyakwazi ukuthi abhekane nesimo esinzima njengoba uyazi ukuthi lesikhathi sicindezeliwe bebekhuluma nabantu ngaleso sikhathi abebeyizitha kubo kungezwani ngakho ke uzasebenzisa lolo lwazi ukuxoxisana uma kungenzeka ukuthi izinto zingahambi kahle uzozithoba kodwa uzoma uma kufika kumapolisi weNingizimu Afrika into enye yesibili uze wabuka ukuthi labo abaseke bavakashela eWhite House baphathwa kanjani uma ubheka umongameli waseCanada nase-United Kingdom kuze kwahluka ngoba bane-experience ama-politician abazange bavume ukuthi baphushwe ukuthi kube ne-environment engathi inzima lapha yakuyaliwa umongameli nayo uzoyenza njalo.
Khawuthi usemfuthweni ngokwexesha loMzantsi Afrika mhlawumbe izinkokheli zingayibamba nini inkomfa nonondaba?
Silinde ukuthi namhlanje njengoba uyazi ukuthi inkinga ukuthi isikhathi siyaphambana eNingizimu Afrika neMelika silinde ukuthi namhlanje iNingizimu Afrika ixoxe neintatheli ukuthi bazosebenza kanjani kusasa ngomva kwemhlangano silinde ukuthi mhlawumbe umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzawukhuluma neintatheli ukuthi umhlangano uhambe njani.
Sibamba ngazo zozibini mamkwena uchaba lixesha. Inkundla kamanje yaseMonti ePhuma Koloni ekhulule umvangeli Timothy Omotoso emva kokuba igcinwe elivalelweni iphazamile kwisigqibo sayo ukukuthethwa lisebe lezekhaya eParlamente ngethuba elisebe liphekwa lisophulwa ngemibuzo ngamalungu eParlamente emva kokuba umvangeli Omotoso enikwe uphuma phelekweli ngecawa.
Kukapasta Timothy Omotoso kweli lizwe akwehlanga kakuhle kwamanye amalungu eParlamente. Afuna impendulo etyhola isebe ngokubhatyaza emva kokufadala ukumsa enkundleni kwisithuba seeyure ezingama-48.
The Omotoso question, why is the DHA of the view that the magistrate was wrong in the ruling on the matter of Omotoso? And also, can we just clarify what is going on with Omotoso?
Isebe liyala ukuba libhatyazile kweli tyala ligxeka umantyo belichophele.
The person has to appear within 48 hours or as it states here on the next day. And it specifically states on 2 that that period will be extended up to 4 p.m. of the first following court day. And we are of the view that that arrest was still within the confines in terms of the legislation.
Umphathiswa uthi umnyango wakhe uvulekile ukusebenzisana negunya abantu lezotshutshiso kumbandela kaOmotoso xa kukho imfuno.
We have a mandate, obviously, When someone is illegally in the country, we cannot turn a blind eye. We cannot, sit around when we have that information. We have to act, and that is what we did in this particular case. And yes, there are complexities, but our door is open to working with our colleagues should there be a need for extradition or anything further down the line.
Isebe lithi liqwalasele ukuba lenyukile kancinci nani labantwana abangabhaliswanga abahamba noomama okanye bebodwa. Dinglulama Matya weendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Sinamkela kwakhona sihlabele mgama umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa baqinisekisile abemi beli ukuba ayizokucuthwa imali yazibonelelo zoluntu kuhlahlwa lwemali lwesithathu elizakwenziwa kumphathi wezezimali umnumzana Enoch Godongwana ngomso. Imibutho yezopolitiki ulikhabile uhlahlwa lwemali amatyala amabini ngenxa yesiphakamiso sokunyusa irhafu yentengo i-VAT ukutsho.
Umongameli Ramaphosa ufungile ukuba ayizokucuthwa imali yezibonelelo xa kusithiwa thaca uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali. Kambe ke uthe wathembisa ngokuba kuza kuxelwa kwiinzame zokuphucula kuqiniswe uqoqosho lweli. Ngomso umphathi wezezimali Enoch Godongwana uza kuthi thaca uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali phambi kwendlu yowiso-mthetho. Walile ke uGodongwana ukonyusa irhafu yamashishini amakhulu nanjengoko buphakamise njalo umbutho we-EFF. Iziko lokuqokelela irhafu i-SARS kulindeleke ukuba ifumane inkxaso-mali eyongezelelweyo neza kuncedisa kumsebenzi walo lokuqokelela imali yerhafu.
The Minister will deliver budget 3.0 on the 21st. And the budget will, to a large extent, be a different budget from what we have had in past years. It's a budget that is going to make us look forward. It's a budget that's going to commit a lot of money also to infrastructure.
Kule veki umongameli uza kube exakekile nanjengoko kutyelelwa seburhulumenteni kwilizwe laseMelika ukuya kuhlala kwisithebe sengxoxo nomongameli Donald Trump. Uthe ke umthembile uGodongwana ukuba uza kuthi thaca uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali oluza kuncedisana nabo bonke abeli loMzantsi Afrika.
The budget is almost ready. The Minister of Finance is putting the final touches to the budget, and that is going to be presented on the 21st. So that is not a problem at all.
Umbutho we-DA kunye namanye amaqela ayinxalenye nangeyonxalenye yorhulumente wobambiswano nawo athathe inxaxheba emandla ekuhlanganiseni intetho yohlahlo lwabiwo-mali.
UMzantsi Afrika kufuneka uqinisekisile ukuba ukufunyaniswa kwezimbiwa zawo kuthi xhaxhe ngomyinge wesihlanu ekhulwini ukuze uphumelele ukuphuhlisa uqoqosho nokuvula amathuba emisebenzi. Oku kuthethwe libhunga lezobuchwepheshe kwezezimbiwa iMindek.
Lo mthetho uyilwayo ufuna ukunikeza ingqiniseko kwiinkampani zaphesheya malunga nendlela uMzantsi Afrika aza kuyilandela kwicandelo lezimbiwa ukubheka phambili.
Our target is to attract 5% of global exploration budget. We're sitting as less than 1%, about 0.82%. That figure has been declining for the past 20 years. And it is important for us to improve on that.
Uthi isebe lakhe likwafuna nokuqwalasela ukuba abantu abamnyama baxhamla kangakanani kweli candelo.
What we think we'll have to do into the future is to commission a research on black capital formations post-independence. Because in South Africa, contribution of the state to capital formations is always categorized as crime and corruption.
Umba wolwaphulo mthetho emigodini nawo uyaqwalaselwa.
And if you look into that Stilfontein, when there were 1,500 plus people from Stilfontein, only 21 were from South Africa. The rest were from the region. And that confirms that it's an illegal activity that is actually dominated by neighboring countries.
Ndashe ukwacele ugxa wakhe umphathiswa uGayton McKenzie angenzi intetho ezingeyonyani.
I listened to Minister McKenzie yesterday standing somewhere and saying the country is naked and so forth. I thought that was an overreach on his part.
ithi liza kuqwalasela nokumbiwa iplatinum ngokuba ukombiwa kwegolide kuye kuncipha. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Imanyano yabasebenzi bakwarhulumente iPSA KwaZulu-Natal imemelela uphando lozimele ngokuphathelene nokusweleka kogqirha omtsha ngokusebenza kwisibhedlele iPrince Mshiyeni Memorial. Ugqirha Lulutho Mazi usweleke kwiveki ephele emsebenzini kutshola ngelithi unyanzelwe asebenze ngumphathi wakhe. Isebe lezempilo limnqumamisile umphathi lowo ngelixa lusaqhuba uphando.
Isisebenzi zomnyango wezempilo esifundazweni zithi asiculusekile neze ngendlela isibhedlela iPrince Mshiyeni esisebenza ngayo. Lesibhedlela sesithole ukugxekwa okukhulu ngemuva ukudlula emhlabeni kukaDokotela uAlulutho Mazwi. UDokotela uMazwi ushonele emsebenzini. Kusolwa ukuthi umphathi wakhe esibhedlela umphoqe ukuba eze emsebenzini yize ebebike ukuthi uyagula. Inyunyane iPSA, amaqembu ezombusazwe EFF kanye nePatriotic Alliance bebebhikisha ngaphandle kwesibhedlela.
Insiza zokusebenza azikho ngenxa yokuthi onesi abekho, ngenxa yokuthi kwi-admin akunabantu. Yingakho sithi kumele sikwazi ukuthi sume nano public protector akakufuneka uze sifake icomplaint ngoba sikhuluma nje kulama platform uyasizwa ne-Human Rights Commissions ngoba kuthinta impilo zabantu.
Lezi zisebenzi zidlulise uhlu lwezikhalo kubaphathi bazo. Kusenjalo izakhamuzi zalapha zithi ziyawuseka lo mbhikisho.
Fika la singabi nasizo abagcina abanye sebefela ezihlalweni bengacholi isizo, abagulayo bagcina befela embhedeni bengakwazi usizo. Onesi bala ba WhatsApp, abhizi no WhatsApp balo bezenzela into zabo bangahoyi umsebenzi wabo.
Umnyango wezempilo kuzolonke usuyalele ukuba luphenywe kabanzi lolu daba kuphinde kuphenywe nendlela lesibhedlela esisebenza ngayo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngisemlazi.
Kwezemidlalo iqela lesizwe lebhola ekhatywayo labeminyaka ingaphansi kwe-20 amajita lamkelwe njengamaqhawe ngabalandeli kwisikolo saNqolomo e-OR Tambo International ngalentsasa. Uku kokuqala ezimbalini amajita engomakhonya kwi-Afrika iphela. Amajita bethe iMorocco ngenqaku eqandeni kwi-final ye-Africa Cup of Nations yabangaphansi kweminyaka ngamashumi eCairo eyiphutha. Kakade besikana kuphothula kungekasengwa ezangomso zingesizulu makube chosibele.